an evening sailing the Mediterranean on a sailboat in Barcelona, Catalonia. Welcome to Tips for Trips and AV, a YouTube channel about travel and technology. Please support the channel and hit subscribe. Let's watch this short video where a group of colleagues and I spent about 2 hours sailing on the Mediterranean Sea. We departed from the beautiful Barcelona Marina on a sailboat that could carry around 10 passengers. Our captain suggested we take off our shoes to move around the boat more easily, but you can settle in wherever area you like. Our captain came from the Basque Country and he was very professional the entire time. We took this trip in May, so the European summer hadn't started yet, and it was still a bit chilly. Even though it wasn't so cold anymore by May in this area, it's still a good idea to bring something warm when you're out at the sea, especially if a wave happens to splash you. The excursion included drinks like wine, water, or soda in the price, along with some light snacks. There's something beautiful to see at every moment, like the Sagrada Familia, for example. The footage has no filters, everything looks exactly as we saw it during the trip, and just as the camera captured it. If you like taking pictures, you'll be snapping them non-stop. Needless to say, the views of the city set against the Mediterranean blue are stunning. The best time to see dolphins near Barcelona is during the spring and the summer, when the sea is calmer and dolphins are more likely to be spotted. The city offers all kinds of sailing excursions. Ours lasted 2 hours and the total cost of the trip was around 400 euros. Well, I hope you liked this short video. Don't forget to support the channel and hit subscribe. And see you soon!